What's up, average dad fans, you absolute content hungry beasts? Well, Vivo X200 Ultra content hungry beasts. It's been another day, therefore it's been another full day using the Vivo X200 Ultra. I've got some updates regarding features. I've got an update regarding the X200 Ultra with camera kit and zoom lens included in that nice big presentation limited edition box. And a few questions answered. Let's go. So before we answer some more questions about the features and functionality of the X200 Ultra, here's the phone again. Just because I know how much you want it, but you can't touch it yet, can you? Well, that's getting really quite sexual. So yeah, here's some random footage of the phone because it is just still beautiful. And using it for the past couple of days, my excitement, my absolute enthusiasm has not waned. In fact, while we're at it, here's some more photos I've taken over the past couple of days as well. And yes, these will all be compiled in one larger, deeper dive camera comparison test, whatever you want to call that video. But I can't stop taking this phone out of my pocket to use it. And that is the key selling point, or the unique selling point of the X200 Ultra. Not just selling point, but I guess buying point. When you buy a electronic product, or anything for that matter, you should want to use it all the time. It should fit into your life seamlessly. And I guess now's as good a time as any to talk about those other features that a lot of people have been asking about. Now, I literally just 4 days ago done this video telling you the differences between a Chinese ROM and a global ROM. 99% of that video is accurate on the Vivo. However, as I mentioned already, the Vivo X200 Ultra is the first Chinese ROM phone, in my experience, or unless my memory is failing me, to have Android Auto out the box. Yes, Android Auto, wired or wireless, depending on your car, works seamlessly. And I have tested it, no issues. Now, in that video, this one here, it's on the channel, I talk about Google Pay, why you should use the Curve app instead. Not a sponsor, it's free, all cards work. One thing I didn't mention at the time in the video, but I've mentioned it many times before, banking apps. If it's an app from the Google Play Store, it will work perfectly on a Chinese ROM, including banking apps. Now, I have RBS, Virgin, Barclays, Metal, American Express, and I think that's it. Too many accounts, it's all debt, folks, and they all work fine. No issues whatsoever on this phone. So hopefully that answers that question. Now, something else that I did get a lot of questions about that definitely didn't cover in that recent video, this one here in description, AI. All your phones have their own internal AI, and when it's a Chinese phone, they have Chinese voice assistants that usually can't be changed to English language. However, there is a very quick and easy workaround for this. Download the Gemini app from the Google Play Store, and then you have full Google Gemini. Or download the Google widget, but you have to download the Google app. Once you've downloaded the Google app, install the widget on your home screen like you can see here, and then you've got Google Lens, Google Assistant, Google Search, all at the simple push of your screen. So no, it's not hard preset into the power button like on global ROMs, but it's still just the push of a button away. And here's some more footage of the phone and some more photos, just because. Why the hell not? And now I just want to finish off by talking about the bundle. The photography kit bundle that I incorrectly told you was not going to be sold, it was just for creators. Yeah, sometimes I'm a muppet and I am wrong. I will have access to 10 limited edition photography kits shipping in the next 10 to 14 days. Couple of things to know. It's on the Average Dad Tech Store for £1,349. That includes the 1TB silver X200 Ultra because it only comes with the silver phone, and the camera kit with zoom lens. Essentially, it is the cost of the 1TB version plus the cost of the camera kit, but you're only paying for shipping once, and it all comes in that nice big large presentation box. There's no discount when you buy the two together, and that's the same anywhere for anyone else that's selling it. It's not an included freebie when you buy a 1TB version like some people thought originally. So that's the update. 10 available. Actually, 9 available now because an order literally just came in. 9 available. Be quick. Link in description to the tech store. And as mentioned, I will be back daily with content on the X200 Ultra, but I have read your comments. I always listen. The overwhelming favourite was the X200 Ultra versus the Oppo X8 Ultra. So that will be a long form comparison video on Friday or Sunday at 8 PM. Depends how efficient I am with other business and content. Thank you so very much for all the support. I read every single comment, and overwhelmingly you guys are appreciating the efforts I'm putting in. But trust me, I am only putting in all this effort because you show the same love back. The views, the comments, the subscribes, the likes, all that good stuff goes a long way. So if you are still watching the Average Dad channel and you haven't hit subscribe, it would really be cool to hit 75,000 subs by the end of the year. And, like I done last year, I had a subscriber goal. That goal was to reach, I believe, 50,000 subs. If I made 50,000 subs, somebody got a phone. And true to my word, someone chose a Samsung Z Fold Special Edition and they got it. Well, this year at Christmas, before Christmas, you'll have it in your hands for Christmas Day. 2 people will get the phone of their dreams. Any phone. That includes the Huawei Mate X-T or anything else extravagant that comes out. If I can surpass 75,000 subscribers, and I'll remind you periodically throughout my videos over the next 6 months, 75k, 2 lucky winners of the phone of their choice and or dreams. I'll be back soon, tomorrow, with more content. Until next time,